welcome to Ask Nutritionist Deepa's whole food plant-based no oil guilt-free recipe videos. And look what I got here, beautiful chilies, a mix of green jalapenos, red jalapenos and some hot peppers from my farmer. So if you, in case you're wondering what I'm going to make with all these chilies, and by the way, this is not the only tray. I have another tray right here. So it's going to get hot in this kitchen today, but no worries. I'm going to make 4 different sauces using mix of these chilies. So I'm going to divide these chilies into 4 sections, and I'm going to make a spicy chili sauce, Asian style, to be used in stir fry and soups. Then I'm going to make a sweet and spicy sauce that can be used as a dipping sauce or as a spread. And then I'm going to make a Mexican hot sauce which can be used in Mexican style bowls or tacos or burritos, or just even just a drizzle of it as a salad dressing. And then the 4th one I'm super excited about because this is a new one that I'm making, and it is an Indonesian style sambal. So stay tuned while I go and chop these chilies into a blender and come back. The health benefits of jalapenos or chilies in general. Jalapenos they originate from Mexico, and it's very staple to the country's cuisine. But nowadays they are also grown in California and American Southwest, and most jalapenos are deep green in color, but when you leave them outside or on the plant for little longer, they turn red and purple and as they ripe. In fact, I had a couple of purple jalapenos with me as well. I don't know where they are now, or maybe they turned red overnight. Nonetheless, there are different varieties of jalapenos. Even though we tend to call this one a jalapeno, this is a senorita variety, which is very hot and dark green and can turn purple and red left into as I said, when left on the vine. So then you get the Fresnos, which are smaller and milder. Then you get Sierra Fuego, which is it's larger and mildly hot, and again that also turns into dark green or red. And then occasionally you will see like the mucho nacho. It is very mild and the longest, so it's something similar to this. So there are variety of jalapenos available, and when we call them chipotles when they are dried and smoked. So I'm possibly going to make a chipotle sauce down the line using these jalapenos. So let's see some of the health benefits of jalapenos. They are rich in vitamin A and C and potassium. They also have beta carotene. This is an antioxidant, and antioxidant helps reverse the damage to your cells. Believe it or not, they also have some B vitamins like folate, and they also have vitamin K. So I understand not everybody is able to tolerate jalapenos or the heat from these peppers, but even if you go with the milder version of it and start introducing just a small quantity by removing the seeds and the vein inside, as your digestive health gets better. Those who follow whole food plant-based diet and the digestive revive protocol, where you are rebuilding the gut lining of your digestive health, eventually do start tolerating some spices. But the other health benefit of eating jalapenos or any pepper for that matter is because of the compound called capsaicin, and this is what really makes it these peppers spicy. But what it does is, these hot peppers, when eaten several times or a week, they improve the blood flow, and that's where that's where their health property comes into play. So this capsaicin plays a role in promoting the blood flow. the same compound is also a natural pain reliever. So I'm not saying open the jalapeno and start rubbing it on your skin, but you will get pain relieving creams which use this capsaicin compound. So there are a lot of things that we can get or benefit from by introducing these lovely peppers in our diet. Now, like I said, you can't eat it too much of it into curry form. That's why I'm going to show you guys how to make 4 5 different kind of sauces that we can use over a period of time as a little bit of condiment. Because remember, just because jalapenos are good, if one is good, 100 are not going to be better for us. This is where we go wrong. Therefore, eating it in smaller quantity, just like herbs and spices on the side, is going to provide you with the health benefits, and not to mention all the lovely flavor and the taste of these peppers. So while I go and chop this, stay tuned. Like I said, I'm going to make 4 kinds of sauces using these peppers: the Asian spicy chili sauce, the sweet and spicy sauce, the Mexican style hot sauce, and the Indonesian style sambal.